Just a quick one today, the Quasidb technical analysis for Wednesday the 8th. I won't make it a long video. Still the same from yesterday. We've got the sending pitchfork, the sending channel. We had support at 108.47. 107.68 is going to be a good support, and 109.64 as well. So do bear in mind that diagonal resistance. That's like a confluence there, 38.2. So perhaps maybe up there, but bear in mind that we've got Fed minutes and the FX expiry as well at 3 p.m. So we might see a lot of movement today. The thing with the pound, we're above monthly pivot now. So remember 1, 2, 3, 4. We're actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. But 1, 2, 3, 4 is easy to remember. That's your line in the sand, technically speaking, for cable. Now we're above the median line. So 12264, that's good, strong above, and we've got 12482 resistance, and then we've got that double support there too on the daily. But we have some supply stroke congestion here, so that's still a bit of an issue for the bulls. But we do have monthly pivot just about by 1 pip. We're actually sitting on it now. Euro pound. 61.8 to 87.89, so potentially bounce there. 86.76 and 89.24 resistance, so potential bounce there, and then we'll see. But we're below the median line, so below that's bearish. So Aussie, so you've got resistance at 61.79 and 61.32. And another resistance at 62.14. I'm going to keep on the same 15-minute chart because I've been doing it last week. So potentially we'll see some resistance there, and if we do get that, then we can perhaps come up to there 62.14. See how that's projected a resistance from the highs. It's all quite clever. It calculates it for us automatically. So gold zoomed in a bit there. So we have broken the pitchfork, but we have diagonal support. So the key level today on the hourly is 16.56 resistance and 16.31 support. Now, if the Fed minutes are not as bad as feared, this could fall a lot because the algos will pick up on anything there. Keep an eye on the sentiment as well. It's around about 50-50 at the moment, so it could flip either side. But there are your levels there on the hourly. So, yeah, I mean, you could probably draw like a trend line connecting the lows for supports there. I mean, there are lots of things you can do. So if we break that support, then it's a potentially good sell because we've actually broken the pitchfork. But don't forget we've got diagonal support there. Aussie yen. Resistance at 108.90, 108.96, support 108.48. I've got an ascending channel, but descending pitchfork, but I think it could well break. At that point would have been the buy, and H4 was a bullish dragon too. So there are your levels. Aussie yen, quite comfortably in the shift channel. We might come up to 68.26. Support at 66.92. There's your median line. And we're above the median line, so 66.92 is important. It could potentially come up here and sell off, and at that point here, that would be your buy. That would be technically bullish from a pitchfork view, but we still have to contend with this horrible bearish free drives. So the fully bullish view would be for it to come up there 77.45. But if it breaks pitchfork, that'd be a good sign. So still bearish, but we are in that channel. Kiwi dollar, got the diagonal support at 59.46, resistance at 60.11. Still need to contend that horizontal, which is the high and the red zone resistance from the harmonic. Kiwi yen, trying to make these videos a bit quicker. Hourly, so you've got support 64.42, 65.73. We have broken the pitchfork, but we have diagonal support there. So, yeah. Euro yen. resistance at 118.40, support at 117.86, 87, 118.94. So I was just thinking about the bubbles as well. So bear in mind that the euro bubble is in the strong buy, and what the yen bubble is mixed. If that goes north, that could be a good signal for a long. But there are your levels. It could have a nice bounce there potentially. That would be your resistance, and this would be your strong resistance up there. See the lines converge at 120.60. Do DAX quickly. There's your resistance there, which held. It's got a bearish formation. There's some support, so it's creating a big triangle. I'd imagine it'd be quite bullish if it breaks a triangle, and it'd be bearish if we break the triangle below. So for that reason, you'd want to look at 10067 and 10492, and we might be caught in that triangle here now, where the harmonic comes down, where D would be a buy, and that would take everyone by surprise because people are still buying the dips. And so that we should expect some more flush out because they need to change their sentiment not to buy dips. So let's do the Dow. Still got the bearish formation from yesterday. Resistance at 2. Can't quite read that actually. 23198 and support 1934. 19468. So assuming we don't break yesterday's high, then it was still bearish technically. And there's your resistance there on the pitchfork. Dollar CAD, quite a strong diagonal. Descending pitchfork, descending channel. Resistance at 14041 and double support at 13934. And the last but not least, we've got the dollar Swiss, resistance at 97.36, 96.45. And we might get a triangle break, potentially. We might come down, bounce, and break. See how we make like a triangle there. So potentially down. We'll probably get lots of stops, and then a nice healthy bounce. So just a quick one today, and keep an eye out for the FX expiry at 3 o'clock and the Fed minutes at 8 o'clock.